name of this fruit? This is an apple, A-E-P-L-E, red and sweet, a tasty crunch you love to eat. Grows on trees and smells so neat. What's the name of this fruit? This is an avocado, A-V-O-C-O-C-A-D-O, smooth and green. Inside is creamy, soft and clean. In sandwiches it makes a scene. What's the name of this fruit? This is a banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, yellow and long. You peel it quick, it's never wrong. It helps you jump and dance along. What's the name of this fruit? These are blueberries, B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-I-E-S, tiny and blue. They roll around and stick like glue. In muffins or bowls, they're healthy too. What's the name of this fruit? This is a coconut, C-O-C-O-N-U-T, brown and round. With milk inside that splashes sound. You crack it open on the ground. What's the name of this fruit? These are grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, purple or green, tiny and sweet, and oh so clean. In a bunch they bounce and gleam. What's the name of this fruit? This is a lychee, L-Y-C-H-E-E, pink and white, with bumpy skin and flavor light. A summer treat that's pure delight. What's the name of this fruit? This is a mango, M-A-N-G-O, juicy and gold. It's soft and sweet, a joy to hold. In sunny lands it's always sold. What's the name of this fruit? This is an orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, round and bright, with citrus taste and vitamin light. It stings your tongue and feels just right. What's the name of this fruit? This is a papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, smooth and bold, orange inside with seeds that roll. It keeps your tummy on a happy stroll. What's the name of this fruit? This is a peach, P-E-A-C-H, soft and pink. It's fuzzy outside, what do you think? A summer fruit in a juicy drink. What's the name of this fruit?